Hey guys, welcome to my first quick answer style video, where the basis is I answer a question really quick, I'll show you really quick, and then that's it. You're done. You can move on to the next video. Alright, so today I got the Osmo Mobile Pocket. Of course, the big review is coming out later on against the GoPro Hero 7, which I think no one's done before. I think I'll be the first one. But we're going to head out to snow tubing this weekend, so I'm going to take both with me. Alright, so let's get into it. The Osmo Mobile Pocket, does it work audio-wise with the GoPro External Microphone Adapter? Short answer, as of February 1st, 2019, no it does not. That could be it for you. If you want to see it, let's test her out. Testing 1 2 3 3 2 1, and we'll just tap it. And then we will stop it and record and tap 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 tap. And it does not work. It's still pumping through the microphone right here and at the bottom. So there's your quick answer. It does not work yet. My guess is until DJI puts out their proprietary adapter for the microphone, it would maybe come along with an update, and then this might work then. But until now, you're stuck with the onboard mic for the Pocket, which is not bad. And that'll be more of my review later on. But most folks who have done research on this know that since the update, it's gotten a lot better. Alright, that was your quick answer. Have a good day.